Colours of the world, dream up your life. Every boy, every girl, dream up your life. People of the world, dream up your life. Aww. Hello. You may notice my eye makeup's a bit stronger today. That's because I'm experimenting, because I am going to a 1970s themed hen party next weekend. And I'm going to channel my inner Debbie Harry. So that's why I've got strong eye makeup on today. Anyway, I digress. Today I will be making toner. So I'll be using, for the toner, I'll just start witch hazel. Aloe vera gel. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary because I've got a spot on my forehead, and rosemary is meant to be one of the better essential oils for acne, although I don't have acne technically, but the spot's irritating me, so I thought maybe this might help. And vitamin E and filter water. So I'm just going to show you how I do it now, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. So you also need a small spray bottle. You can probably get it from any sort of good drugstore, or just reuse one you've already got. As ever with anything using essential oils, you should use something that's amber. This is plastic. Obviously glass is better for the environment. Yes, amber stops essential oils degrading. So first thing I will use is a 1/4 cup of filtered water. A glass jug to mix it all together. So 1/4 cup of filtered water. So it's 1/2 cup of witch hazel. So I am going to put 30 drops in. I know it says a few, but what does a few mean? It's a bit generic, so I'm going to put 30 in. And 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, so that's roughly a teaspoon. Just, there you go. 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil. And 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera. So here's aloe vera. Just got this, I think I got it from Amazon, but you can just get it from any, you know, food. Well, in the UK, somewhere like Holland and Barrett. There you go. 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera. Smells really nice, probably a bit strong, although it's taken over the smell of the witch hazel. Okay, so that's made about half this size bottle. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell if I do my hand there, right behind it. So I'm just spraying it on my spot. I think it might be an American thing having toner in spray bottles, because in the UK we don't tend to have them in spray bottles. But before lockdown I went to Lacona and ran out of toner, so I bought some while I was over there, and they're all in spray bottles, which is I think must be an American thing, but not that it matters. Anyway, if you're in the UK, we're used to pouring out toner, so it's up to you if you want a pouring bottle or if you want a spray bottle. Spray bottles does help make it last longer, I must admit, so it probably is more environmentally friendly and more economical to have it in a spray bottle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and hope to see you soon. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye bye.